Okay, y'all. Hi, it's your girl Kim. I'm back again with another video. I'm actually back again with a haul. I just wanted to do this video real quick because it's really not a lot of stuff. It's just I finally got my order. This was the order with the free Gingham Love lotion as well as the fine fragrance mist. So I finally got my order. It took forever, but I finally got it. Okay, y'all, let's open up this box. Did I say welcome? Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling, knees. For the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's been watching all of my videos, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat. Follow me on Instagram and using or following my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. You are my MVP, my MVP, my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. So let's get into this box. Let's open it up. Like I said, I finally got this order, and this was an order, the promotion that they had for the new Gingham Love, and I grabbed that as well as a couple of candles. Receipt, of course. So here is the Gingham Love. Here is the Gingham Love stuff. The fine fragrance mist along with the body cream. So yeah, you had to place an order in order to get this stuff free. So I did, like I said, I placed the order. One of my candles, candles was canceled. I used some rewards. So let's go through the reward stuff first. I decided to get the pineapple mango spritz. Can't even see the label because it's all gold, but I did get that. That's nice. My next single wick candle I got is mahogany vanilla. Yes, y'all, mahogany vanilla is so nice. It came out for candle day and they decided to like put it in the regular rotation. Happy about that because this candle is really nice. And my last free candle is fresh coconut and cotton. Fresh coconut and cotton. Grabbed another one of these because this is actually really nice. That's nice. So yeah, these are the only 3 free candles I got with rewards. Like I said, one was canceled and that was the peach and prosecco. And then I grabbed 2 Christmas candles that I'm actually going to exchange out. So I did kind of wanted to come into here and do this video super quick. I decided to grab holiday. We all should know the scent notes by now, but cinnamon stick, cloves, and nutmeg. I think I have this candle, but I'm not 100% sure, but I did grab this to exchange out. And then the next one is apple garland. I actually already have this candle, but I might keep this one. Gala apples, mistletoe, sandalwood. Yeah, this is good. This candle is really nice. Hopefully you were able to grab one around the Christmas season. So yeah, I think this one was like $10 and I think this one was like $6.12 or something. So basically that's everything I got. Like I said, I did not order a whole lot of stuff. I just really placed the order just to get the Gingham Love stuff, just like everybody did. Everybody wanted to grab something to get the Gingham Love. I mean, I could have just I could have just did the free candles, but why not grab some 3-wick candles? You know what I'm saying? Especially for only $16 to get 2 3-wick candles for $16 is not bad at all. So this order I think cost me like $25, because you know I had to pay for the candles and everything else was free, plus you got to pay for shipping plus tax. So I think this was about $25. And then just to say this, because I did buy I did order a candle and it was canceled, and I did do it with my rewards. I did call them, and what they did, instead of giving me the reward back, she just offered to send me out a different candle, which was no problem at all. So I like doing it better that way, because I have had issues trying to get my points back before. You know, they will always say you know, give it 72 hours, and it never happens. So for the young lady to offer to send me out another one, yeah, I'll take it. And also, when I did call them, I did the rewards. I think I did press number 2. 1 for English, and then number 2 to talk to someone about the rewards program. So I went that way instead of talking to a customer service person about my order. So maybe that's the way to go. Maybe that's the way to get faster and easier service, because I know doing it through your order, it never go right. It never go right. So if you ever place an order and they cancel your item that's supposed to be free, just talk to someone that's in the rewards department, and you probably get better results that way. So yeah, leave in the comments, let me know, have you had any issues with getting your reward back after your item was canceled? Leave that in the comments. Also, let me know, what do y'all think about this new Gingham Love? Tell me that in the comments. Also, I know Bath & Body Works is still doing the candle sale, the buy 2 get 2. Leave in the comments what are the candles that you're going to get. Hopefully you're buying in sets of 4. Remember, buy 2 get 2 sets of 4. So when you place an order, make sure you grab 4 candles, because I know sometimes it can be a little confusing, but you need to order in sets of 4. So yes, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments, follow me on Instagram, as well as use or follow my hashtag, hit the notification bell, and I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.